Hey, Bartman! You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? I bet not.
Flame on!
Hey, we have a break-in.
These guards will be like an amuse-bouche before we get to the main course.
Taking out the trash is part of the job. Hey!
The security cameras didn't see that, Dad.
This museum has a strict no-punk policy.
You are off my Christmas list, starting next year. Nice dinosaur. Good dinosaur.
Kick ass! Hey, it's those bones Flanders said God planted in the ground to fool us.
You didn't make the suggested donation. Hey! Nice!
Sorry, did I wake you?
Hey! You've offended my delicate sensibility. Hey!
I'm not afraid of you. I'm nonplussed by you. Oh!
Let me introduce you to my nightstick.
If the uniform makes a man, he must be a pretty crappy man.
Oh!
That's my boy. Assistance! Secours! I haven't mixed it up since I was banned from the Ultimate Fighting Championship.
Yeah, my superpowers are no match for your flashlight. Bart's back.
Hard way or the harder way?
You're a disgrace to the plastic badge.
Welcome to Springfield Museum's History of Man.
And woman.
I have an itch that's driving me crazy.
Our first diorama depicts early man. One of the traits that sets our human forefathers apart was the emergence of the four-fingered hand we know today.
If I get hurt, I'll feel something.
Don't say things you can't take back.
You want some of this belly?
Way to give him guff.
You guys aren't exactly the Hardy Boys, are you?
The Middle Ages were a turbulent time, as the vestiges of the Roman Empire smoldered. Castle storming was all the rage. You weren't storming a castle. You were worse than a loser.
Am I moving too fast for you? No, you're moving too stupid. You don't even have to guard your dignity.
Get off my dadgum diorama engine!
Cover your ears!
Fascinating slice of life. Let me introduce my pet. Finally. Look at me! I'm Walker, Texas Ranger! Flame on! I am the greatest!
My turn! Donut!
Bart, you look so insignificant from up here.
I wonder what these balls represent.
I wonder which planet is the toilet. I gotta take a Bart whiz.
The sun is a mass of incandescent gas, a giant nuclear furnace.
I think that is nuclear.
You messed with the wrong pally, boyo!
Way to throw your weight around.
3/4 of the Earth is covered by water, the water of life.
Finally.
Mercury was named for the Roman god Mercury, a winged messenger. How often are you supposed to wash your hair? It's bad if you do it every day.
Mind if I hitch a ride?
In college, I ate another guy's barf to get into a fraternity.
Jump, double jump, jump. Sweet. Jump. Yep. Jump. Jump. Whip. Whoop. Jump. Whoop. Jump.
Kick ass! I'm totally gonna knock you out of your orbit. I'm sorry, Jimbo. I'm afraid I can't let you do that.
You'd have to be crazy to go up there, and I'm merely stupid. We might get it.
Stop freaking me out with your unusual gliding and slingshot abilities! We're just henchmen, man! Skinner hired us!
Principal Skinner?
Yes, it is I. I mean, me. No, it is I, yeah. The city cut our science budget so much I needed to steal from the museum just to have visual aids.
I've never heard of such an evil plan. You're like if the Iron Sheik had a baby with Rowdy Roddy Piper, times 1,000,000,000.
This Azoraptor's coccyx would have inspired a generation of students to fall in love with science. Oh well, looks like it's jail for me.
Sorry. Would have been here sooner, but I can't get the hang of this dang map quest. Turns out there's a north and a south Elton Avenue. Really messed me up.
You've learned a valuable lesson, Skinner. Confessing to crime doesn't pay. Book 'em, Wiggum.
I know I'm supposed to book 'em. Gosh, you don't have to be such a jerk about it.
I think I'm gonna like having unbelievable superpowers.
No matter what I do, I can't shake this head stubble. I probably won't be able to hide behind the map forever.
Let's do this. Lardass and all of Chubtown, you can win the eating contest at the Duff Brewery.
Only 20 more years and I can retire on a teacher's pension.
Eating contest.